Children, let us consider another example from your textbook. Write a program to find and display the sum of all the values which are ending with 3 from a list. Now, from a list, I am copying to enter the elements in the list. This is the program to enter the elements in a list. Now we have to check whether that element is its last number is 3. Suppose numbers like 33, 13, 33, 13, 103, all those numbers whose last number is units place it is 3. So that type of numbers can be identified by dividing that number by 10. Suppose it is a 2-digit number divided by 10. Suppose it is a 3-digit divided by 100. Suppose it is 33 divided by 10 will give the remainder as what? 3. 13 divided by 10 will give the remainder 3. 100 divided by 10 will give the remainder 3. So only we need a single digit, one digit 3. So always take divided by 10. If we need 2 digits, suppose ending with 13, then divided by 100. So here in this program we need to find out all the elements which are which ends with 3 and find out the sum of all those elements. Now I create a variable sum and initialize it as 0, because always in Python before using a variable we have to initialize it as either 0 or 1. So in multiplications we always initialize here 1, but here we are doing addition, so initialize it as 0. So giving a value we can initialize a variable. Now for I in L is our list. For I in L, we have to check if I mod 10, because we are dividing by 10 and checking whether the remainder is 3. So equal to 3. If I mod 10 equal to 3, that is that element is ending with 3. It will be 13 or 33 or 100, 103 or any 1003. So it will be, if it is divisible by 10, divided by 10 and gives the remainder 3, then we have to write as sum will be what? We have to add it. So sum equal to sum plus I. Now print sum. number of elements in the list is 5. Write 13, 3, 12, 4, 33, then 2. So you can see 3 elements are there which ends with 3. They are 13, 3, 33. Now this program will find the sum of all the elements which ends with 3. So 13 plus 33, that is 46. 46 plus 3, 49. So here we have created a list. So our program is to find the minimum element of a list. So we have created a list at runtime. Then to find the minimum element, we can write print min is the function to find the minimum element. Min of L. L is our list. So here we can write in single quotes minimum. So 4 elements out of the 22, 11, 33, 44. So minimum 11.